Iowa Governor Reynolds is letting more businesses open up. This comes up as bars will be allowed to reopen starting on Thursday. 3 News Now anchor Courtney Johns joins us with the latest. Courtney.
Kent, on June 1st, lots of outdoor and large gatherings can start up, but they must operate at 50% capacity. So here's a look at the rules. This includes racetracks for spectators, outdoor concerts, amusement parks, and casinos. Governor Reynolds says they must do things to ensure social distancing. Community gatherings of more than 10 people can also begin, but groups must maintain 6 feet of distance. Governor Reynolds says she is also talking with the Iowa State Fair Board this week. Foreclosures and evictions will also be allowed to begin starting tomorrow at 11:59 p.m., but the governor says she is using funding from the CARES Act to help people who have lost money due to the coronavirus, and that should be up and running by Friday. Let's take a look at the latest numbers in Iowa. 8 new deaths have been reported. More than 470 people have died from the virus in Iowa, and there are currently more than 17,600 confirmed cases. Nearly 9,500 of those people are listed as recovered. Now, the Associated Press is reporting at least 5 employees have died at a Tyson plant in Waterloo after contracting the virus. Now, the state is supposed to report anytime there's a business that has an outbreak, but it took a reporter asking today if there have been any new outbreaks for officials to say there have been 2 more in Sioux Center and Sioux City. Then the reporter asked if the state would consider putting that information on their website, and the governor responded, "We can take a look at it," but that she trusts the media to do their job and ask the questions.
All right, thank you for that, Courtney. Now, many of these new cases are in Pottawatomie County. Test Iowa plans to set up a testing site in Council Bluffs on Friday from noon to 6. The exact location has not been announced yet. The governor says anyone who thinks they need a test can get one. Iowa governor says the state's testing program and restrictions helped keep the state's healthcare system from being overwhelmed.
We saw models projecting staggering numbers of positive cases, hospitalizations, and deaths across our state that would threaten to cripple our healthcare system. So we did what Iowans always do when faced with a problem. We created solutions.
The Council Bluffs test site will be one of 10 open across Iowa this week. That's in addition to a special Test Iowa clinic in Des Moines, which will begin scheduling appointments later today.